So I'm just going to show you how to make the frame for the body by this is probably one of the simplest armatures. It's great for beginners, but it means that you'll be able to position the mouse. You can have it maybe holding things, or sat, or arms and legs, and even the head. So I use chenille covered pipe cleaners. I find them a lot easier to work with, but again, use what you have. So I have an 11 centimeter and two 8 centimeters, and these are in proportion with the size of the mouse that I'm making. So you can either go longer or go shorter. And these are really simple because you can make them and undo them if you need to do that. So this is one that I made earlier. This is a bit of a fluffier chenille compared to this one. But literally what we're doing is making a neck and arms, body and legs. Okay. So if you start off with the 11 centimeters, you want about a centimeter twist. So fold that over and just twist it. Okay. So that's for the neck. Then we're going to take one of these for the arms, lay them across. Make sure you get that in the center. You can always, have a ruler handy. That about 4 centimeters. Yeah, that's fine. And then you're going to take this and twist that over. And then you can just check then as well whether they're in the center and just move them till you're happy with that. Okay. Now this part, I want that to be between 5 and 6 centimeters, give or take. So if I go from about here and I take the legs, again, you can measure that if you want. And I'm just going to twist that around, bring my legs down, just make sure that they are level before I twist again. Just a touch more there. That's okay. Now, any anomalies, I'm just going to twist that in place now. Any anomalies that you may have, you can add felt. So, don't worry if it's not completely exact. So this is what we're going to be working on to make the neck, the arms, the body and the legs. And we're going to use a similar process to, we've been using this barbecue stick. So we're going to use this as part of that to wind round and to add. The only thing that we will be doing with this part is we'll be using an awl to put a hole in so that we can glue that into place. So it's really important when you're adding to your felt makes like this, that you really make sure that the part that you're putting the awl into, that you're going to create a hole in, is really firm, because otherwise that's not going to work. Now I generally use this glue, Gorilla Gel, because I find that really, it puts things in place. I'm sure there are other makes as well. I've tried quite a lot of different glues. For putting, felt and fabric, I use this Fabric Fusion. But I do find, if I'm putting something in that I want to move to, that's the best. So spend a little bit of time doing that. You can use armature wire as well if you want to do that, but again, I'm trying to aim this at beginners, so I think starting with pipe cleaners is a good move. Okay.